Hey everyone, I'm in my garden at home. And this garden, Alfred and I have been building up the entire summer this year in 2020 because of COVID-19. We are not able to travel, so we put all of our effort and a lot of our money into building this really crazy dream garden behind our house. I'm going to be showing you guys the entire garden when it is complete, and it should be pretty soon actually. But today this video is about our fish pond. We're installing a goldfish pond, which is going to take us a few days to do, maybe a few weeks. We'll see how that goes. But I've already started building it. I forgot that I was going to make a video about this, but anyway, so I already started digging. It's going to be an 8-foot wide pond by 12-foot long pond. It's going to have 2 waterfalls and be able to house about 22 to 23 actual live goldfish that can overwinter because it's going to be 3 feet deep. So I'm going to be showing you our entire process of making this pond, and if you want to make this at your own house, which I'd highly advise somebody, pay somebody to do it, then you can follow along and kind of do this at your house too. So let's get started.
Unfortunately, we have bamboo in our yard, and it has caused quite a problem when digging this pond. We have to remove it all by digging its rhizomes out the ground, or else it can cause future damage to our pond. It's a really arduous task.
All right, I've been digging for quite a while. That's what I have to show for it. A really big hole in the ground. And I just measured the inner portion of it, and it's not even 3 feet deep. It's probably like 1.5, maybe even 1 foot. So I've got a long ways to go. So one of the crazy things about digging this pond and basically repairing the entire garden is the amount of rocks we've dug out. At first we were annoyed by them, but now we're kind of excited because we need all these rocks for our pond. So Mother Nature gave us all this for free. Well, we had to work for it, but it's free money-wise. We are on day 2 of digging the pond. So we are currently leveling out a section of the ground right here because we have a hillside that we're building on, so we have to build a small retention wall to keep the hillside from washing into our pond, which would make an anaerobic environment for the fish and kill them. But once that's done, we're going to start digging down right here and leveling out this section of the pond. I've already practically have that section of the pond done. So I have like about a 1 foot drop, and then it goes down to 1.5 feet, and then it dips down to 3 feet. And so the 3 feet, that's important because that allows us to leave the fish in the pond over winter. They won't die. They go down to the bottom right here, and they'll stay warm enough to survive. They go into like a cathartic state. And around we'll have ledges here and here going up and down around the entire length of the pond, or circumference of the pond. And that's where we'll be putting rocks and stuff on. That's where we'll put plants and everything else. So we'll show you the rest when we get to it.
And now the construction continues. We have a lot more work to go, and there will be a few more videos showing the complete process from start to finish of how we're going to build this pond. So stay tuned for the next video.